MVHR is fundamental for a low energy build. There's no doubt about that. But physically, the amount of space it takes up is more than the plumbing and the electrics combined, including your boiler and hot water cylinder. Work on 2 pallets 5 foot tall, full of equipment for every 100 square meters of floor area. Now, to hide all of that into a property without losing storage space, dropping ceilings, or risking acoustic issues means that you need the right size of plant room in the right location and the right type of joists. Retrofitting that system into a property that hasn't been designed to accommodate it is difficult, which makes it more expensive and usually less efficient. Whereas installing it into a property that has is easier, so it's less expensive, it's more efficient, and there are fewer risks. In short, with MVHR, design it early, because if you design it late, you design it late at your peril. My name's Elliot, my company is Solarcrest, and we've been retrofitting MVHR into new and existing buildings for 10 years, which means we know all about the perils.